Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you in 2 minutes whiten yellow teeth and turn them to pearl white at home permanently. With very simple ingredients at home we can prepare a magical remedy for teeth whitening at home. So the first thing we'll need, in a clean mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and in this remedy we cannot replace it with baking powder because it's not gonna work the same. And then my friends, will need to add 1 teaspoon of charcoal powder, and then we'll need to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and here I'm using parachute coconut oil. You can also replace it with 1 teaspoon of Vaseline or petroleum jelly. And now we'll need to mix all the ingredients very well. Now our teeth whitening remedy is ready. With your toothbrush, brush your teeth with that remedy. Dip in your toothbrush into the remedy like so. And apply generous amount on your teeth and brush the teeth with it. You will see super effective results from the first use. And use this every time you want to whiten your teeth in 2 minutes. It's super effective. I'm sure this video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to never miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedy. And I'll see you in my next video.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you. And if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas. And also like those, that will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.